everybody. All right. Welcome to my show. You are welcome. And thank you very much for watching my show. All right, guys. Today, I'm gonna bake delicious food. But before that, look my table. How colorful and busy, exactly the way I like. All right, very good. Hey guys, today I'm gonna make free range chicken. All right, guys, it's stew. Very good, guys. All right, I'm gonna tell you exactly what I have here. All right, this is gonna taste delicious. All right, so I have here 1 bay leaf. I have 2 chicken bouillon. I have 2 Sazon, 2 package, all right? 2 package each. Also, I have the whole head of garlic. I have 1 tablespoon and a half of salt to bring the flavor together. All right, guys. Also, I have 2 small cilantro, the whole bunch, all right? 2 bunches. Also, I have 3 free-range chicken. Very good. They was not that big, was small, all right? But guys can find the big one, use the big one. All right. Also, I have 1 tablespoon of oregano. I have 1 teaspoon of paprika. I have 1/4 cup of olive oil. Also, I have 1 red pepper, 1 orange pepper, and 1 green pepper. All right, very good, guys. Also, I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper. If you guys doesn't like black pepper, just don't use. Also, I have 1 teaspoon of hot sauce. If you guys doesn't like hot sauce, don't use. All right, this is for the chicken. Plus, I have vegetables. All right, I'm gonna cook this with vegetables. But I like to cook my vegetables separate. All right, so for the vegetables, I have 5 potatoes. Plus, I have 1 pound of carrots. All right, you guys want to cook with me? All right, guys, let's go. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. All right, my pan is preheat. All right, very good. So I'm gonna need first my olive oil. Very good. After that, I'm gonna use my garlic. All right, don't be afraid to use garlic. It's bring the flavor together. All right, so there you go. After that, my onions. This time I use Spanish onions. All right, very good. But you guys can use any onions you want. Right? So let's cook these babies. All right? And I'll be right back. All right, guys, welcome back. All right, time to check. Very good. All right, you don't have to cook the garlic and the onions well done. All right, doesn't have to bring that color, the gold color. No. All right, you just have to cook a little bit. All right, so just to melt a little bit, give some flavor for the oil. All right, so now I'm ready for my next step. All right, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, very good. All right, my next step, it's gonna be my chicken, my free range chicken. Very good. If you guys doesn't know how to cut the chicken, the butcher can cut for you. All right. Very good. It's looking very good. And the smells all over my kitchen. All right. Very good. All right. All right, next one. good. All right, very good. So now you're gonna stir a little bit. All right, excuse me. Stir a little bit. Right. All right, guys. My next step, it's gonna be my red pepper, my orange pepper, my green pepper. All right, that's when the colors and the flavor comes together, guys. All right, please take a look. This is my oregano, my paprika, my chicken bouillon. Very good. My second one. Now it's my Sazon. Another one. Very good. This is my bay leaf. My salt. If you guys need more salt, just add it. All right. So this is my black pepper and my hot sauce. Very good. So now you're gonna stir this, right? Don't add it any water, right? So the vegetable have plenty water, right? That's why you have to cook with a lot of vegetables, right? So you don't have to put water. You don't have to add any water, right? This is the secret, right? So now I'm gonna cover and let cook in medium high. All right, I see you guys very shortly. All right, guys, welcome back. All right, my chicken is cooking. All right, now I'm ready for my next step. My next step, I'm gonna cook my vegetables. All right, I have some water here. I put some water here so the potatoes doesn't change the color. All right, so I'm gonna drain the water. Right, and let's cook the vegetables. Very good. All right, that's my carrots, my potato and my carrots. All right, let's cook these babies. All right, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, time to check. All right, very good. So, all right, very good. It's still cooking. All right, looking good. Looking good. Hey guys, if you want a good food, all right, you're gonna need a very good recipe. All right, don't forget to subscribe and like my YouTube channel. All right, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. I see you guys very shortly. All right, guys, welcome back. Time to check. All right, so let's check my vegetables. Looks like it's ready. Very good. Squeeze. Yes, it's ready. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna drain the water. All right, and I will be right back. All right, so I'm going to reserve, right, my vegetables. You can take the camera here and take a look at my vegetables. Right, so also I will make some okra. All right, so this is not for the show. Also, I did some rice, all right, to go with my chicken. All right, it's gonna be good. It's gonna taste good. All right, guys, see you very shortly. Oh, guys, I forgot to check. Very good. All right, very good. So let me check my chicken. Oh yes, my chicken is ready. You can see I did not add any water. All this water you see here is from the vegetables. All right, so now I'm ready for my next step. My chicken is ready. So now my cilantro. Very good. That's when the colors and the flavor comes together. All right, guys. After that, it's gonna be my scallion. Very good. All right, so now let's cook the cilantro and the scallion. I say it's gonna let this cook like for 15 minutes. That's what I want to cook very well the cilantro and the scallion to bring the flavor together. All right, I see you very shortly. Welcome back. All right, guys, my chicken is still cooking. It's absorbing the water. All right, so now I'm ready for my next step, my tomato sauce. All right, very good. So now let absorb the water like a halfway, right? So, and let cook also this tomato sauce, right? I want this a halfway. The water has to evaporate, right? At least a halfway, right? So might take longer. You guys have to watch. All right, so let's cook these babies and I'll be right back. Also, I did not cover. All right, I might have to cover just a little bit, but I want to leave open so evaporate faster the water. All right, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, my chicken is almost ready. You guys can take a look. The water has been absorbed. All right, very good. Looking very good and smell all over my kitchen. All right, so I'm gonna let this cook for 10 more minutes. All right, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, all right, very good. Hey guys, show you the final product. Right, here you go. Free range chicken stew. All right, very easy to do it. Anybody can do it. All right, and also you have to try this recipe. All right, you are gonna be happy today and forever. All right, guys, let's go. Hey guys, cheers.